Hello guys, welcome to the next lecture in the series of styled components in React. In the previous lecture, we learned inheritance property of the styled components. The similar method we can apply to any of the React component, whether it is a custom component or a third-party component. But there is a condition that we have to attach a class name props with the DOM element. Okay, I will show you how to use that. Here I am going to create a component link. Okay, it has two props. First is class name, then children. Okay, it return an anchor tag with children. Okay, and we have to apply that condition that we have to attach the class name property, class name prop with the DOM element. Okay, now we created the link component. Then in the next step we have to apply some style. Before that I will display that component here, link. Okay, I just give a normal link as children. Then there's a style link and I just give a new line. Okay, we can see the result output in the right side. There is a normal link and style link. Now what I'm going to do then, I'm going to apply some styles to this link, the second link, styled link, using the inheritance property. For that I just create const a styled link that's equal to style. Now we know how to use the inheritance. Inside this style we just pass this component. Okay, then we can specify the styles that you need. I give color as blue and some font weight with bold. Okay, then replace this link with our styled link. Okay, then save. Yeah, now we can see that one is a normal link and another one is the link we apply via our styled link component. There we applied some styles. Hope you enjoy this session. Please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.